Hi, mbukeli wethu Eswatini lifestyle sesibuyile sitokukokela kuthi kuhambe njani on your weekend. But nje ngingakutshela phela ukuthi besikuphi this weekend. Just look around. This is Hilton Hotel Mbabane where things are happening. Imagine yourself and your loved ones around this place. It's so lovely, you wouldn't regret it. But guess as we are going weekend in Mbukeli, we went to Luchi Festival where we ate, laughed and swayed. There was fashion, there was food, there was everything. We saw internationals, we saw performances, you name it. Bafika abantu baswenkile sangena. Yours truly was there, but it's not about me. Ngiyangithi nasengikhulumile ngakhuluma ngithi no, please check it out for yourself. Luchi Festival 2019.
Luchi Fest 2019, man. Here's another thing I love about Luchi Festival. Surprises. You will always expect surprises at Luchi Festival. And right now with me, well, I'm not surprised, but I know you guys will be. There's a guy right next to me who is dressed in traditional regalia. How you doing, sir?
I'm very well, thank you.
I'm very well. What's your name? Just introduce yourself.
Shema Bele is my regimental name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, where you from, man?
Swazi. from Malkerns, just down the road.
Oh.
Yeah.
Awesome. I love the way that you dressed up. What inspired this outfit, if I may?
1 month ago, a very, very good friend of mine, Senator Mike Temple, passed away. And today we had to go and have a prayer.
Right.
And he was a man that just constantly wore Swazi traditional gear.
Yeah.
And he was the gentleman that got me and my son to Botsega and joined the Swazi regiment. And just out of respect, I dressed like this today.
That's deep and amazing, and it's an amazing story. Rest in peace to him,
yeah.
And shout out to you for actually honoring him this way. It's a really dope thing that you're doing.
He deserves more.
Yeah.
He was an amazing man for Swaziland, and yeah, we're super stoked.
Awesome, man. Enjoying Luchi Fest.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so I've just got you, so need to go find a drink.
Awesome. Go eat, sway, and love. That's what they call it. All right, man. Thanks. Luchi Fest 2019. Right now with me, I'm with somebody that does not need any introduction, and I am not going to introduce her. Well,
I was actually thinking you're not going to introduce me because you forgot my name.
Oh no way! How could I?
Modest.
Everybody knows you. Come on, why are you being so modest?
I'm trying not to be.
Okay, cool. Listen, we're at Luchi Fest 2019. You look beautiful. I want to ask you about your outfit, but I've asked a lot of people about their outfits. So I'm gonna ask. The cliche. It's Luchi Fest. Vintage. No, I'm supposed to be interviewing you. You're interviewing me now. Okay. Is it your first time here?
No, I was here last year as well, that debut, but this one is bigger and better.
Yeah.
So congratulations to Standard Bank. They keep upping the game, so this is lovely.
Yeah, for sure. Have you seen progress? What kind of progress have you seen?
I think firstly the stands, the setup, the people are more dressed for the theme. I think people really went all out. I love the green theme. I'm dying to see the fashion stand. The food, I'm told, is amazing, so I'm on my way to eat some.
Okay. Can I come with you?
Yeah, sure, let's go eat.
Oh, definitely.
We can continue after this.
Why
Yeah,
not?
sure. Why not?
Look, we have Sibam Dongana, we have Bongo Muffin, we have fashion, we eat, we sway, we love, and there's lifestyle as well. What are you looking forward to the most?
Bongo Muffin, sort of a little playback. Yeah, old school beats for us grown girls. So I can't wait to listen to Bongo Muffin and swing to that beat. Yeah.
Awesome, you heard it, guys. Kunua Fagut is right here looking lovely. I'm about to go grab something to eat with her. She invited me. Yes, I'm very cocky right now, but it's only right. Anyway, Luchi Fest 2019, we here, baby. Luchi Festival 2019, we're still here. Right next to me right now I have Msuthu. Did I get that right?
Msuthu Kambule.
Msuthu Nkabul. How you doing, sir?
I'm good. Enjoying the vibe. It's sunny, it's hot, perfect weather. So yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah. Is it your first time here, Luchi Fest?
It actually is. I heard about it last year, but I missed it. So I had to live it up this year. I couldn't miss it for anything.
What's the one thing that made you come here? Because there's like food, there's music, there's people, there's literally everything.
I won't lie. I looked at the food and I was like, I definitely need to taste this. We've got some chefs all the way from SA that you only see on the food channel.
Yeah.
So you want to make sure that you
taste.
Exactly. So yeah, that's why I'm mostly here for the food.
That's dope. Are you coming back again next year?
Oh, definitely. If I had what you call a yearly subscription, I would.
Yeah.
Every time they say Luchu, I'm in there. So yeah.
Awesome, man. Msuthu, enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you very much.
Luchi Fest 2019, we're still here. I'm sure you know these faces, guys. If you watch Eswatini Lifestyle, we've had Gwanzi before, we've had Chantal before. It was a different episode, but I'm glad we're here with them again. Gwanzi, how you doing?
I'm alright, man. How you doing?
I'm good, man. You're looking good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Chantal, how you doing?
Good. I'm chilling.
Yeah.
It's a good time.
Is it your first time at Luchi Fest?
No, I was actually here last year. It was a time. Yeah. First year, like number one. Always.
Okay. What brings you to Luchi Fest?
100% my first time.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's sort of like mini Bush, but I think I came for the culture and the theme more so, and I feel like it's like fulfilled my wishes and expectations.
Right.
Yeah.
Not the music?
Well,
okay.
I mean, you come here for
Gwanzi, that was enough. That was
then
enough.
you end up like doing other things, don't you?
Chantal, any act that you're looking forward to in terms of like music?
I'm looking forward to the food. Yeah. Priorities.
At least it's a part of Luchi Fest.
It is.
Yeah.
Isn't it a food festival?
Yeah. When did you get here?
Like 2 hours ago. I've been here for like a bit.
Okay, so I can't ask you. I wanted to ask you about a certain act that I saw on stage, Holy Ray, but you were not here. No. It's okay. Anyway, I'm gonna be here with you guys for the whole night. We're going to enjoy Luchu, right?
Less.
He stole your tag.
He stole my phrase. That's my tag.
I stole her tag on Okay, so she owns it. I do apologize. I have borrowed it. I will pay you for using it on television.
Chantal needs to copyright her phrase.
I do. Bless.
Awesome. Bless. Luchi Fest 2019. With me now, I'm with someone special. He's a national treasure. Mzwa, he's here right on time. And no pun intended. How you doing, man?
I'm alright, bro. And yourself?
I'm alright. First and foremost, congratulations on Right on Time. Tell the people what Right on Time is.
Right on Time is my new EP. My first EP, actually. The first project I've ever dropped. It's titled Right on Time because it's a play on words, actually. It's ironic because I've taken so long, I've procrastinated with my craft for so long, but when it came, it was right on time.
Definitely, and it's evident the reception that you've been getting. It's crazy. Let me tell you a funny story. A girl in Russia told me about your EP. Yeah, what's listening to Lutsanvo. It's Mzwa featuring Velemsen. So kudos to you for that, man. You're really doing great. You're a national treasure. Let's talk about Luchi Festival. What brings you here?
What brings me here? Good people, good food. I mean, look around you. Everyone's looking beautiful, amazing. It's my first time here. I wasn't here last year. I couldn't make it. But I'm here to socialize, to network and to have a good time.
I was going to think you would say good music as well. But it's okay. You'll say it next time. Listen, Mzwa, enjoy Luchi Fest.
Thank you. Enjoy yourself too, man.
Thank you so much. That was Mzwa. He's a national treasure. I'm going to say it again. Go get his EP, Luchi Fest 2019. We are here, baby. Everybody's looking beautiful. Right now with me, I'm with the dynamic duo. I'm sure by now you know these two. We always have them. We had them on the other events. We have them today. Guys, please, for the last time, interviewer, introduce yourselves.
I'm Siwa Jordan.
Come back. Now, guys, Luchi Fest 2019. I know you were here last year. What have you seen progress from last year?
Everything, the setup, everything.
Okay.
Everything is boss. I love the setup. It's on another level.
Okay, let's forget about the setup. Let's talk about how you guys are set up right now. You're looking lovely. Woo! How hard was picking this outfit?
It was hard. I had to mix a couple of outfits in order for this one to come out. So it was that hard.
Yeah. What inspired your outfit? Different question.
Goods, the designer. Do you know him? From SA. So this is like
Are you saying you're dressed by Hood?
Yeah, I'm dressed by him.
Get out of here. Anyway, guys, amazing having you guys as always. Enjoy Luchi Fest, man.
You gotta put your past behind you.
I'm so happy to be here in Eswatini with you guys. It's so beautiful here. I've been here for 2 days now. The people are so friendly. The women are beautiful. The men are handsome. I'm having lots of fun here. And I think this day is just going to get even better. Hey? The more it grows inside, chasing your love again, searching for the high. I'm falling deeper, deeper, deeper to your love. I'm falling harder, 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 harder than before. I'm falling deeper, deeper, deeper to your love.
Luchi Fest 2019, we're still here at Eswatini Lifestyle. Right now with me I have Edith and Kelly. Guys, what's so funny?
We just love it, the thing.
Yo, wait. Why do you guys speak together like consequently? Wow, so much energy right here next to me. Yo, what brings you to Luchi? Just please keep quiet, Kelly. What brings you to Luchi, Edith?
Honestly, just have like a good time. I'm gonna get sloshed.
Oh, yeah?
Just have a good time.
Oh my God, what brings you here?
Yeah, we planned this. Like, we're here to be together. Yeah.
Wow, these guys speak together. Anyway, Edith and Kelly, I'm gonna cut it short. Just go and have fun. Luchi Fest 2019.
Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. Peace. Another thing I love about Luchi Fest is I've met a lot of people that I've known from social media. Right here is Samgi. I know her from Instagram, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, we just linked up. Samgi, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm alright myself. Is this your first time at Luchi Fest?
It's my first time.
Really?
It's my first time. Yes.
What brings you here? Because I got here very early and I saw you dancing to Holy Ray's performance.
Yeah, I actually came for her. I love her.
Well, now that she's done performing, does it mean you're gonna leave?
No, not yet.
Yeah.
I have to go home though. I have to change into a more comfortable outfit.
Awesome. We're about to see Bongo Muffin jump on stage. Are you excited about that? What else are you excited for besides just Holy Ray?
I'm excited
excited to see different people wearing different designs. You know, I can see very beautiful people around here. So yeah.
Now, man, it looks like all the women here are just enthusiastic about the fashion, which is a different case with the men. But we need to change that. We here at Luchi Fest, man. Let me cut that serious talk. Luchi Fest, Samgi is here, right next to me, looking lovely. Enjoy your day, Samgi.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you so much. Peace out. Luchi Fest 2019. I met a lot of strange people that I didn't know, but I'm just happy that I'm meeting people that I know in the same fraternity with. We play basketball together. He's a colleague. His name is Tando Mkacho. How you doing, sir?
I'm good, sir. And yourself?
I'm all right. What brings you to Luchi Fest 2019? I know you were not here last year.
Yeah, definitely. We were not last year, but this year we're here. So the Luchi organizers approached basketball as a fraternity to come and showcase our lifestyle to the people.
Oh, so what, you're just showcasing basketball as a whole, or is just a section of basketball that you showcase?
It's basketball as a whole. We've tried to bring out all teams here. Yeah. We've tried to incorporate a couple of activities. We actually have a hoop by the main stage there, awesome, where people can come through and take some shots and win some great prizes.
Listen, man, we're also going to come through and take a couple of shots using our camera, and I'll probably take shots using the basketball as well. Yeah. What am I going to win, though, if I make a couple of shots?
We'd appreciate you coming, most definitely. So prizes we have are merchandise that belong to different teams with the team logos and stuff. So we want the public to really support local teams and local talent, really, and to grow the sport locally.
Yeah, that's really dope. Tando Mkacho, he's a basketball enthusiast. I love what he's doing. I love what he stands for, since I'm in the fraternity as well. Nice meeting you again, my man. Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, public.
Awesome. Tando Mkacho, Luchi Fest 2019. Guys, I'm tired of saying people don't need introductions, but this one right here doesn't need an introduction as well. She's familiar on our TV screens. How you doing? I won't even say your name. How you doing?
I'm well. I'd like you to say my name.
Your girl Z.
That's right.
Oh, but cancel you.
Yeah, well, people have a habit of forgetting.
Well, I could never forget your name. Listen, Luchi Fest 2019. There's a lot of things here incorporated in Luchi Fest. It's a food and lifestyle event, probably the #1 event in the country. What brings you here?
Firstly, it's the event itself. It's my second time attending this event. And secondly, I'm here because I'm working today. I'm one of the judges for Best Dressed today. So I'm looking around, scouting people. We have awesome prizes that we'll win later in the evening. So I'm hoping to find my favorites, and then we'll announce it on stage a bit later.
I don't know if I'm allowed to ask, but what are you looking for in the contest? Because I want to enter, but I didn't put too much effort in how I'm dressed.
Okay, we want creativity, of course, because this event is not just, about the music, the lifestyle. It incorporates even fashion as well. So with the theme of the African print, but now the African print into future. So you need to incorporate a bit of style and swag into it. I'm usually making reference to Wakanda. When you watch the Wakanda movie, it's prints, but in a more modern way. It's very stylish, it's very chic. So that's what I'm looking for, creativity more than anything. In prints, in whatever it is, designers came out full in action tonight and today, so it's quite interesting. I'm dressed by one of local designers, so it's really nice to see them working hard at it. So it's gonna be a great day.
Yo, man, outspoken as yo. I didn't expect that. Your girl Z, very outspoken, very articulative. She's looking lovely, as you can see. Can you just pan on her dress real quick? Look at her. Look at this. Oh man, Luchi Fest 2019 is going down, and she's a judge, guys. I didn't know that. But yeah, she's doing really amazing things. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, you too. I hope you'll have fun.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, don't leave early.
I won't. I'm here the whole night. We'll even interview the winners.
Oh, okay, cool. Yes, you have to. You have to, definitely, yeah.
Awesome. Luchi Fest 2019, your girl Z was here. I was here. Luchi Fest 2019, we're still here. I'm with Simpiwe, who is actually a trader. I just want to take a different spin from all the cliche questions that I've been asking. Simpiwe, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah. Simpiwe, I understand you're a trader. From a trader's perspective or a trader kind of experience, do you think it's different from a person that's just here to watch to experience Luchi as an attendee?
Yeah, it's different because when you're a trader, you get like both scenes. Okay. You get to see that your product is moving, and you get to see the vibe of everyone and the culture and everything of the food and everything. Yeah, it's kind of different.
Right. So you'd encourage people to start trading more?
Yeah, I would like, because we have to push the entrepreneurship spirit. Yes. Yeah, everyone has to be pushing, making money on the side. So everyone has to be a trader and apply for these things. So that's how it is.
Got you. Now, guys, that was Simpiwe. We here at Luchi Fest 2019. You just had a different perspective of Luchi Fest. You can thank me. You can thank him as well. Awesome. 2019 Luchi Fest. Luchi Fest 2019. We're still here. I'm with a gentleman right now who is, I'm not even a judge, but I'm going to say the best dressed so far, according to me. Funny thing, he says he's about to go change and dress up into something that's going to make him win the competition. How you doing, man?
I'm okay, yourself?
I'm alright. What brings you to Luchi? I know it's going to be a simple,
just the fashion.
I knew it. Self-explanatory. Anyway, are you entering the competition?
For now, I'm not, but then let me go and change. So let me just do a little thing. Let me speak Siswati, because now I'm allowed to be Siswati. Then when I come back again, I'll be in English.
Okay, asikhulume ke leswati sakho njalo. Yeah.
Ngitelelana nje le fashion kuphela futhi wami. Ukuthi ngibe mnanzi ngigcoke ngekuthi nami ngiyakuthanza lokugcoka. Into veta ukuthi hayi mangigcokile ngiyajabula.
It seems like you are so much into fashion. Is it something that you really do as part of your lifestyle?
It's something I really do. Ngiyadla ngiyalala i-fashion konke. Umsebenzi wami i-fashion.
How so?
I do patterns, drafting, phunge, konke but iqala phasi impahla.
This is really your event, my man. I hope that you win, because clearly you're really going all out. Ngongphele camera.
When I get back next year, before.
Awesome. Luchi Fest 2019. Luchi Fest 2019, still meeting a lot of beautiful women. Right here next to me, I have Danele, right? Did I say that right?
Yes, you did.
Oh my God, sorry, let me pick that up for you. See, I'm a gentleman. Sorry, that was random, but that's what we're about. There you go.
Thank you.
Yo, Danele, thank you so much. Danele, what brings you to Luchi Fest? Were you here last year? Let's start with that.
No, I wasn't. I actually missed it. Yeah. I had something that came up when I was supposed to come here, so I was really excited to finally attend it this year.
At least you're here this year. What brings you here?
The hype, I mean, Standard Bank, the marketing, wow. Like, they created such a hype that if you were not here, the FOMO was really going to hit you.
That's true. What have you enjoyed the most? I don't know when you got here, but what are you enjoying here?
Okay, since I'm a premium ticket holder, yes. I was here last night. I enjoyed the private function with Holly Ray. I enjoyed her performance. It was very great. And I just come from Siba's cooking show, and I've also been seeing some of the displays from the fashion cafe. I really love fashion and all the African stuff. It's really nice. So I've enjoyed that, and just the vibe. Everybody's happy. The weather's great. I mean, yeah.
I love how minimalistic your outfit is. How hard was picking a minimalistic outfit? That's quite ironic. It's quite an oxymoron, but how hard was picking this minimalistic outfit?
Well, me myself, I'm like a simple person. So I just said to myself, I'm going to have a little bit of African. I want it to be comfortable, but I also want it to be unique. I actually got this in Kenya. I was in Kenya last week. This is about Africa.
Yo, this lady is a bowler, guys.
So what better than Kenya to get an outfit for an African-themed party?
And the Gabesha, they incorporated like some Swazi flavor.
Because ngilswati, so bekumele ukuthi libe khona Gqebeshi.
You know, I had to put in the Swati there because usitshela ngabo Kenya. But anyway, I'm also open-minded. Global citizens worldwide, man.
Of course, Africa, we are one, right? Yeah, but of course, you see, the Gqebeshi is close to my heart, so that is symbolic.
Right. Yo, Danele, enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
It's a lot of beautiful women at Luchi Fest 2019. Right now I'm with Poppy, Neto and Sanzi. Did I get that right? Yes. Anyway, guys, you look beautiful, and I love how you guys are different from each other. Cause she's eccentric, you're quite minimalistic, and she came up with the red palettes around here. Guys, what inspired your look? Let me start with you.
Myself.
You inspired this?
Yeah.
How hard was coming up with this outfit?
Not really hard because it took my my dressmaker like 2 days. Yeah, so it wasn't hard.
Did you design this yourself?
Yeah, I did. I sketched it for her.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. And what inspired your look?
Myself, of course, I did this outfit yesterday. It was like 2 hours. I had to give my designer to do it, and it came like I'm comfortable. That's all I'm happy about today.
Yeah, evidently. What inspired
You
your
will
look?
not believe this. I literally had my look done today. Literally. It really is. But like I had this thing in my head, but I couldn't find somebody to do it the way I wanted it to be done.
Okay.
So yeah. But yeah.
Now, guys, yo, you guys are having a conversation of yourselves. I asked a question. Can you answer it? Answer. You see? Pay attention. Anyway, since you guys are looking so lovely, I see you went all out when it comes to fashion. What else are you looking forward to? This is Luchi Fest. There's a lot of things incorporated.
Meeting great people, of course, great performances, and having fun.
Okay.
Seeing new trends, definitely.
Have you seen new trends?
Yes, like we've literally, like a lot. There's people literally went all out with this one. Yeah.
Fashion, yeah, we're looking forward to seeing like old fashion, old school, and new school. You know.
You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you know when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself.
If you were there, you've been reminded. But if you were not there, so bonile kuthi betiwa wazobwa kwaba mnanzi nema performances, it was so ufuna kuba ngemasadi. You guys slay. You guys are powerful. You guys represent. We're happy as iLifestyle Eswatini to be part of that second edition of Luchi Festival. I hope that next year sizabe sikhona sitokuvetela. But for tonight, Lindiwe Kamatsenjwa, your host, uthi sijabulile kuhlala kuye nawe. Usaphuma uye endaweni ngicela ukuthi uphathe kahle. Sizosidibane ngalesihlanu.